Channel. Today we are diving into a meme coin that's doing something totally different in the crypto space. This is not just another hype token, this is a pirate themed crypto adventure. Let's talk about Magallanier, or the meme coin that powers the world first 3D treasure hunt platform in crypto. But before starting that, I want to share with you that you have to subscribe to the channel so that you will get a notification of my new videos in the future, and you can easily be able to get to know about more project from where you can make money. But you have to do your own research. This video is for educational purpose. You can do your own research before investing in any kind of project. You can see Magallanier, the meme coin treasure hunt. Join most epic crypto sea adventure. Navigate towards treasure with the most legendary token on the blockchain. You can even buy it from that. I will open this link and share with you. You can see the roadmap too on that. So Magallanier is built on the Solana blockchain, and it combines storytelling, gaming, and blockchain puzzles, all powered by its native token. So the mission and vision is also given. You can see the mission. Magallanier exists to reshape what meme coin can be, not just a token but a movement. They merge the fun and the chaos of meme culture with a real gamified experience that reward participation. So you can see the gamified and the adventure mixture on that. The vision is that they become an iconic community powered meme coin in the world by transferring passive holders into the active treasure hunter. So you can see they are going for the treasures and the hunters. So furthermore, you can see their community. They will build the future of the crypto together. They have the transparency, which operate total clarity and honesty. They have also the innovation, which always seek new ways to involve. Real-time token stats is given here. So you can see this is not just a full love. This is a project which is actually gamifying airdrops and community engagement. So how, by turning crypto rewards into the fully on treasure hunt experience, it's working on. You can see the current price, which is 0.0007630, and you can see they have 24-hour chain, which is 6% on. You can see it on the DEX scanner, and you can even see on Solana. I will open this link and share it with you. You can see the 24-hour volume here, the market cap, and the liquidity, which is updated on time, which is given here. So Magallanier uses a narrative driven approach. Holder get access to puzzle story, it lines and clues drop across to the treasure. The roadmap is given here, the future plans, the bigger goal to build a white label platform where the other projects can host their own treasure hunt. The single is out, the phase that is completed. In the phase 4 they are going in progress. For the bigger the map, the bigger the allies. You can see the outer reach begin. So the compass active, and in phase 6 they will go for the captain's master key, and you can see further their faces are given here, which will come in future. You can see their details. They have completed 3 phases, and their phase 4 and 5 is going on at that time. And you can see in the press they have also given the details about the coin sniper. You can see token information is given, token details is given here, supply of 1 billion, and token roughly 18.5% of the total supply is locked by the dev to show commitment to the project's long-term future. And here's something rare in the meme coin space. The founder is self-docs, which adds a layer of transparency and we don't often see. The simple network is Solana. You can see the total supply, which is almost 1 billion tokens. Supply locked is 18.5%, and created date is given. Security audit is verified security, and you can see it here. Community driven, 100% driven by the most legendary pirate community. And in crypto you can see that they have the fast transaction lightning speed for all your adventures in the crypto sea. They have the maximum security protected by the most advanced blockchain security. Contact the crew. You can see the message, or you can do even Twitter, Telegram, edit the details is given on. So now, as always, in the most non-financial advice, Magnanet is still new. You can do your own research, and but what's clear is that project name as Magallanier. So I want to share with you about their video here. So you can see, I will just play that video without a voice. You can see it's about their story. The air trayer developed and operated by Maglanier. Maglanier is rewriting the rules of what a meme coin can be. Forget passive income with no utility. Dollar Max fuel behind Air Trayer, the first ever 3D ecoscope room style trayer hunt platform for Web3, a gamified experience that transforms airdrop into a cinematic branded interactive adventure. So built on Solana for speed and low gas, Maglanier is more than a coin, it's a movement toward experientially marketing, tokenized gameplay, and immersive community rewards powered by the meme but built for the mission. So you can see AirTrayer is a 3D gamified application where users connect their wallets, enter fully immersive puzzle based world, solve clues, uncover secrets, and unlock crypto reward. Each hunt happen inside fully branded environment, customized designed for the project running it their own logos, colors. The goal replacing boring claim pages with a something people remember airdrop. So you can see the utility begins, explore, and become not framed. They have just connect and play to join AirTrade. No staking is required by default. All user need is to hold the record token if any, connect their wallet and begin. You can see here their programs which is given here for the holders, which is you can see 5000k plus. This amount may be changed prior to their launch. Staking platform, high APR rewards, additional perks, and you can see you can use that white label, a fully branded, all their details I have shared. So further I will go and share with you about the deck screener. You can see it is verified, their price is given here, the backed by real achievement, and Gecko coin market cap just listed as well. You can see they have 1150 plus holders and growing on. You can see multi-trader hunts completed in beta, and they are going for agreement with weeks and a top 28 other like given here about that. This week's agreement includes, this is on the deck screener too. You can see Maglanier is also on Solscan. You can see this agreement includes listing on Magle on the exchanges. They have given here AirTrayer, not just a game, a platform, gamify airdrops, onboard users, quality and transparency, which I already shared that they have 8.5% of supply locked for long, and they have fair and clean tokenomics with no exploitative mechanism. You can see them on the Twitter. They have to get it here. You can see they need more accessible to users around the world. They are actively building cross-chain bridge, fiat on ramp, iOS and Android apps. And you can see you can join the hunt. Most token are short stories. Maglanier is a world with AIR AirTrayer. They are building the next generation of airdrop mechanics and onboarding experience all under one scalable. You can join their Twitter so that you can know more news about that. You can even though join them on the Telegram too. Their details is given on. Whether you are chasing memes, a serious investors, a project looking to captive community, these trayer waiting for you. Trayer is the map. Let the hunt begin. But before that, you can do your own research too before investing any kind of project like that. And so you are into the crypto storytelling. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more crypto deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching, and always stay curious, stay safe, and do your own research.